Grace, today I want to share a little piece of paper magic with you. Have you ever heard of an 8-page zine, or as some call it, an 8-fold mini book? If you haven't, you are in for a treat. All you need is a single sheet of A4 paper and a pair of scissors. That's it. No glue, no staples. You just fold the paper into 8 sections, make one tiny cut right down the middle. Pop it open into a star shape and fold it flat, just like that. You have a pocket-sized book with a cover, a back, and 6 inside pages. These little books are amazing for everything. You can use them for travel diaries, quick study notes, or even having your students draw their own 6-panel comic stories. But here is the absolute best part. If you've ever tried to design one on a computer, you know figuring out which pages need to be upside down is a headache. Well, I recently tested out an AI assistant that does all the heavy lifting. You just give the AI a theme, and it automatically generates a perfectly formatted 8-panel template for you to print and DIY. It is a total game changer for creating fun, hands-on learning materials. So, grab some paper and scissors and give it a try. What theme would you put in your mini book? Let me know.